SAP AI won't replace ABAP developers, but an ABAP developer who uses AI will replace you. That's not a prediction, it's already happening on projects I work on. SAP has built 3 concrete AI paths for every ABAP developer. Most are on none of them. Here's what they are and which one you should start today. Path 1, Standard, Joule for developers, already live in AD Eclipse, generally available since March 2025. Ghost text, predictive code completion, automatic unit test generation, explain legacy, ABAP code and CDS views, wrap application scaffolding, trained on 250 million plus lines of proprietary SAP code. This is where 90% of developers should start today. Path 2, Innovation, ABAP AI SDK and ISLM. Build your own AI-powered SAP applications entirely in ABAP. Call GPT-4, Gemini, Llama or Mistral from native ABAP. No Python, no REST, no JSON parsing required. ISLM manages authentication, model routing and deployment lifecycle. It uses the communication arrangement SAP_comp_0A69. Teams are building real-time customer credit risk assessment inline in sales order entry. They are auto-summarizing long text entries in wrap models. AI populates custom fields in standard Fiori apps without base code changes. They automate invoice processing workflows. One prompt instruction can replace 100 to 200 lines of ABAP parsing code. Path 3, Modernization, Agentic AI plus VS Code. ABAP Agentic AI frameworks are arriving in 2026. VS Code with the ABAP Cloud extension will include built-in Agentic AI in Q2 2026. This capability is powered by an ABAP Model Context Protocol server. System requirements include BTP ABAP Environment Release 2502 or later. S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition requires 2023 FPS 02 or 2502 or later. S4 HANA on-premise or private cloud requires native release 2025. Older on-premise releases 2021 FPS 07, 2022 FPS 05, and 2023 FPS 03 are supported via transport correction instructions. If you are on older on-premise systems, here's the unlock sequence that saves hours of searching. SAP Note 3490653 enables ISLM for custom generative AI scenarios and is the place to start. SAP Note 3513374 Generative AI SDK for on-premises deployment. SAP Note 3571857 Joule for developers promotion license. Do this week. Enable Joule for developers in ADT or Eclipse while the promotion is active. Ask your SAP administrator or account team to activate it. Create a BTP free tier account and explore the Generative AI Hub. Read the 2026 ABAP AI roadmap on the SAP community. ABAP is not being retired, it is being rewired for the AI era. SAP states that the era of wait and see is officially over. Which path are you on? Join today and email us at contact@anubhavtrainings.com.